Hi, I'm Lawman. I'm an associate editor with the books team, and today we're going to be making the new fashion gin and tonic. Typically, you think of a gin and tonic as kind of like a summery, refreshing drink, and we thought if we could get rid of the seltzer in that, we'd have a stronger drink that could be a all-the-time drink, and we had what we're now calling the new fashion. With the tonic syrup, we wanted something that had a lot of citrus, a little bit of bitter. We're using cinchona bark, which is from South America. It was originally used to derive the quinine from it to combat malaria. So to create the tonic syrup, we're using water, cinchona bark, lemon and lime zest, the juice of both of those fruits, a pinch of salt, lemongrass. I want to bring that to a boil and then reduce the heat to medium. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes covered, stirring occasionally. Once it's done simmering, we take it off the heat and add sugar and citric acid. It has beautiful, rich amber color. All the cinchona bark has been extracted. Next, we want to strain out all the solids. And then we can pour it back in a clean jar for storage. To make our new fashion, we're starting with gin, and then we're going to add our tonic syrup, and then a little bit of bitters, ice. We're going to stir it and then strain it into a rocks glass with ice. And lastly, we're going to add a little bit of lime zest for brightness. You're going to taste subtly flavored gin, that nice bitter spice that's going to balance the drink off, and then you have that lime zest. We like to think this drink is a more sophisticated version of your gin and tonic. This is not your grandfather's gin and tonic.